Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial on push protocol. Push protocol is personally one of my favorite protocols out there right now because it addresses a huge barrier that we have in Web3, which is being able to use tools that we can use in our day-to-day lives. Push is a great platform and protocol because it addresses Web3 communication. It is a Web3 communication network which enables cross-chain notification and messaging for dApps, wallets, and services. So what does that mean? It means that it provides the tooling for you to be able to communicate through a decentralized method across different blockchains and being able to talk to different wallets privately in an encrypted manner, which is pretty much the whole premise of Web3. When it comes to building with Push, today in this tutorial we'll be going over the Push SDK. The Push SDK refers to a variety of different toolings that are offered, but in this tutorial we'll be going over the fetch notifications using the REST API, as well as taking advantage of the UI web, which provides us with the ability to create notification components using the UI React. So in this tutorial, we'll be learning more about what Push is, being able to learn more about what it can offer, as well as doing a demo for a tutorial as well that you can use and leverage for hackathons and projects where you implement the Push protocol SDK. So to get started, we're going to be connecting with MetaMask, and this is where we're going to be authenticating to enter this platform, the platform. And so once you are entered, you are able to see a variety of different channels that are offered by Push. You can see that I've opted into a variety of them, and if I would like to choose to opt into another one, it's just simply a matter of clicking it and authenticating that you are subscribing. So that'll prompt a signature request, and it'll give a little notification as well saying that you've opted into the channel. Within the inbox, you can actually test or you can verify and look through a lot of the notifications that are offered, including the spam as well. And currently I don't have any spam. And one of the really cool things about this dashboard that I would love for you to